Pumila na ako.
Original. Kukunin ko tong rice bowl. O yan, yan yung parang paratha nila. Tapos, anong drinks mo? Soy milk? Hi guys, forget to home, forget to say hi. We're here at Weiding and this dish is the savory soy milk. Para siyang taco na with toasted bread. I haven't tried this. Yan. Ay, ang sarap! There it is. There's this is like the Taiwanese paratha. What you have there is the Taiwanese paratha. So I don't know if you want some sauce with it or just by itself muna. Is it crispy? Crispy, flaky pastry. So this is the Taiwanese rice ball. So para siyang, ano yun? Kinakain yung onigiri. But instead of triangular, circular siya. Sarap. Ang sarap. Kasi may crunchy, ano siya.
Na.
So it's a crispy bread. Dough, crispy dough.
So para siyang chicharon.
Yung effect niya.
Alam mo yung sa bread to, yung nasa top ng bread, shredded floss. Yun ang lasa niya. Tapos pagagat mo, siyempre, sticky rice, tapos crunchy, yun ang the best.
Yung texture na... Isa pa? Mark Wayne's. Oh my, we didn't watch him. I'm sure nang Taiwan na siya.
Nauna ako sa'yo. So kanina, mali yung pinilahan namin. Nandito pala siya. Yan.
1965, o diba?
So pag pumunta kayo ng Taipei, siya. Ano? Weiding? Weiding 1965. Yan. Sarap. Let's go.